bring a box of, let's just say, those individual Doritos to work, and then you potentially may eat two of them instead of just the compulsive buy that you'd have at the machine and then the immediate regret.
I think you're onto something there. I think you're right. I mean, how many of us hate to buy the best value? You're torn between, well, the large dollar would be 700 ounce Dorito. But then you think, God, if I eat 700 ounces of Doritos, I'll die. You know, with orange fingers and a smile on my face, but I'll die. So then I get the smaller size, but then that's a bad value. So, you know, what do you do?
And actually, if you look, even at like the pantries or the little convenience stores, that grab bag is a better value than the smaller bag. That 99 cents typically is what's printed on that bag, that grab bag. So for 99 cents, the smaller bag is 89 cents for, less than whatever the difference is.
You seem to have spent some time. You seem to have spent some time on this topic, Sean.
Maybe I eat too many Doritos.
Thanks for the call. Mark, you're on WGN. What do you think, Mark? You're on the air.
Hey, I was wondering who keeps the cost, well, I'm going to go to the